Hey guys, how's it going? Today we are going to make how to make ringtone in iOS. It can be iPhone or iPad. So right now I'm going to show you how to make ringtones free without any purchasing or PC. So first go to App Store and download the app which I'm showing. Then you will be getting this thing. So press open. After you press open, you will be getting these options. So you have seen a plus symbol here. Click it. Then you have 4 options here. So you should click the first one, which is known as import from video. Then I selected a song and the song came here. So go to make and click GarageBand. Then the song will be loaded in the GarageBand. Then you should long press the thing and click the share button. After you click the share button, click the ringtone button and just give it continue. Then I type your own thing. So right now this is the one thing. So I'm giving it as export. So wait until it exporting. Okay, now it got exported. Now you go to settings and you will be seeing that this is here. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you. See you in the next video.